Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Microsoft Excel series that is running into my channel. Guys, till now I have showed you random types of formula in Excel, but from now I will show you and upload videos on a sequence formula that will help you to learn Excel faster. So in my previous videos we have learned how to count any cells that ends or begins with a specified value by you, but today we are going to learn how to count cells that contains a specified text. That could be in the end of the text, or that could be in the middle of the text or starting of the text. To know how this formula works, watch this video till the end. This is your host Pritham and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. So let's start. Welcome back friends. For your easy reference, as usual I am going to run the OSK software, that means the on-screen keyboard, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. Friends, I have created a file previously. Let's open that file. Here it is. Friends, suppose you have a data file like this and you have to count that cells which contains these criteria. How will you do that? To count the number of cells that contain certain text, you can use the COUNTIF function. In this generic form of the formula, look at here, range means range of a cell, and txt, that means text, represents the text that cells should contain, and the asterisk symbol is a wild card matching any number of characters. So in this example the formula will be like this: equals to COUNTIF, then open the first bracket, then it is asking for range, give the range here like this, or you can type the range number here, put a comma, then open the double inverted comma, then put a asterisk symbol here, then you have to type the text that will used as criteria. In my case I am typing red. Here note carefully friends, in this case the case of the text is not case sensitive. Then again put a asterisk symbol here, close the double inverted comma, then close the bracket and simply hit the enter button. Look at here friends, it is showing result as 2. So let's check. So my data range is from B4 to B9, and the cells that contain red is 1 and 2. That means yes, it is showing accurate result. If you type the formula again here like this, COUNTIF, open the first bracket, giving the range, put a comma, open the double inverted comma, put a asterisk symbol, then type the criteria here, then again put a asterisk symbol, close the double inverted comma, close the bracket and simply hit the enter button. So look at here friends, white is 1 and this is showing accurate result. So let's check how this formula actually works. COUNTIF counts the number of cells in the range that contains white by matching the content of each cell against the pattern double inverted comma asterisk white, then again asterisk, then double inverted comma, which is supplied as criteria. The asterisk symbol is a wild card in Excel that means match any number of characters. So this pattern will count any cell that contains white in any position. The count of cells that match this pattern is returned as a number. So friends, what if you want to not put a criteria like this? You just wanted to write the cell reference number here, and whenever you change the criteria in that cell, the formula will automatically change. So if you want the formula like this, you have to apply a trick in this formula. In that case, if you have a cell reference number, you have to type the formula like this. Look at here carefully. Equals to COUNTIF, then open the first bracket, asking for range, put the range here, put a comma, then here the trick applies. Open the double inverted comma, look at here carefully friends, then put a asterisk symbol, then close the double inverted comma, then you have to use the ampersand symbol here. After that, you have to give the cell reference number. In my case, I am using the E6 cell number. E6, look at here friends, it has been selected now. Then again you have to give an ampersand symbol, then again open the double inverted comma, put a asterisk symbol, now close the double inverted comma, then close the bracket and simply hit the enter button. Look at here friends, it is showing result 2, and if we check in this cell range, there is only 2 cells that contains A letter, that is supplied as criteria. If we change the criteria here like this, red, it is also showing 2 because red is also 2 in this range. If we type white here, the result has been changed. That means this formula actually works. So that's all for today friends. Hopefully you like this video and you have learned a new trick in COUNTIF function. Please share this video with your friends. Share your opinion in the comment box, and if you have any query about any formula, please share also that in the comment box. Keep learning, keep supporting my channel, and stay tuned.